Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. In this episode, we'll replace the filters and the UVC lamp in a CX1000 air purifier. To begin, you'll need a replacement pre-filter, HEPA filter, a UVC lamp, and a flat blade screwdriver. The CX1000 air purifier uses a two-stage filter to thoroughly clean the air. The pre-filter and hospital-grade HEPA filter first traps the airborne particles. Then, the germicidal UVC lamp destroys bacteria and viruses. Both the lamp and the filters need to be replaced after 1 year of use. The green light means that the filters are clean. Orange light means the filters have been in service for more than 5 months. Red light means the filters have been used for more than 6 months and require cleaning. The pre-filter can be vacuumed at this time, but still need to be replaced after 1 year of service. For the UV lamp, the green light means that it's operating properly. Orange light will appear after 11 months of service and indicates that it's time to order a new lamp and replacement filters. The red light will appear after 12 months and means that both the lamp and filters should be replaced. First, turn off and unplug the unit, and lie the air purifier on its back to access the bottom. Use a flathead screwdriver to press down the locking clips. Then lift and remove the grill. Now pull out and discard the old filters. Install the second stage HEPA filter with the white layer facing upward. Next, place the pre-filter on top with the white layer facing upward. Replace the grill by sliding in the tabs. Then snap the bottom into place. Finally, use a pin to press the air filter reset button, which will change the light back to green. Stand the unit upright. Using your index fingers, you can squeeze the locking tabs inward and release the top cover. Rotate the UV lamp 1/4 turn from top to rear and remove the lamp. Now insert the new UV lamp by rotating 1/4 turn top to front. Align the aluminum reflector so that it's positioned over the lamp. Then, press down the top cover until it snaps into place. Finally, use a pin to press the UV lamp reset button, which will change the light back to green. As you can see, it's easy to keep your air purifier running smoothly with the yearly filter and UV light replacements. Just keep an eye out for the indicator lights and you'll be set. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date with Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.